Alright, it's a lovely Saturday morning, which happens to be my wife's birthday. And as we all know, we don't say how old she is. But it rhymes with nifty. So, later on, we're going to take her out somewhere nice. You know, probably McDonald's or something like that. Get something to eat. And she's out Christmas shopping with Little Miss right now. So, I'm going to work on this here truck. And now my phone's ringing. Isn't that aggravating? I don't usually answer numbers I don't recognize, but that was somebody wanting to look at inspect my roof for free. Wasn't that nice of them? I told him to leave me alone. Alright, I can look at my own roof when I get ready. Alright, where was I? Oh yeah. I gotta do a bunch of wiring. I gotta put the distributor back in it. I gotta add one more fan. I'm hoping 2 fans is gonna keep this thing cool. I gotta finish rebuilding my battery box, which I sort of started, and I forgot to get oxygen. Daggone it. Well, that's just the way it is. I can MIG weld it, I guess, if I need to. And I got a bunch of wiring to fix, so I'm going to get after it. It's nice and warm in here. I tried to get Harley, the dog, to come out with me, but he said he didn't want to be in the shop. He doesn't like the air compressor. Or at least that's what I thought he said. I got to wire up the tack. The gauges are hooked up. And I'm going to put an MSD box in it. I might have to call my neighbor over here for that. I'm going to put it right there, but I don't know if I can get my hands back in there to put the nuts on, you know. But we'll see how that plays out. She's got little hands. It's pretty handy sometimes. Well, I talked to my neighbor, and she said she'd be glad to come do it, but they all got the flu over there, so I think I'm gonna wait. Don't want the flu, you know. So I got 3 nuts on it. I can't get my hand on one, so. And I done wounded myself. What it is when you get old, your skin gets brittle. That's annoying. Anyway, I spliced a bunch of wires on there. I hope all this old used stuff works. Guess we're getting ready to find out. That's a good tune right there. Passing Zone Blues, Coleman Wilson. Anyway, I had to turn it off. Y'all can't hear it because, you know, copyright, all that stuff. Alright. Since my neighbor is sick, I managed to get that nut on there. I ain't sure how I done it, but I done it. So now, MSD box securely mounted. Sure hope it works. Guess the next thing I need to do is finish up this battery box so I can put it back in and continue. Alright, here's what I took a few minutes and roughed in. It's just a battery box, so we ain't got to get too fancy. But I'm going to start gas welding it in and try to make it do right. I'm running out of oxygen, but I might just make it. I gotta weld up those 2 little holes and that and this across there. But it's gonna be okay for what it is. Better not touch it there. It's still growing, shrinking actually. Alright, battery box squared away. I'm gonna hammer it on a little bit and then fog some black paint on it and call her good. That's what it looks like on the back side. And there's the torch I use. It works better when it has oxygen. Well, I painted it, let the paint dry, and then I forgot I didn't weld a nut on there so I could hold the battery down. So I went ahead and did that, and now I'm going to paint it again. Alright, got the battery securely mounted. Fresh new grade 8 bolt for security. Now I can start wiring this thing. And there's a bunch to do. Sure is. Look at her. She's got new boots. She bought them for her birthday.
Yeah.
While she was Christmas shopping.
Flashy. And that, for some reason, if you do like this, it looks like they're on the wrong feet. But they're not. They're in the right.
All right. Well, there's the nifty lady.
Nifty, nifty. Too bad I just turned 50.
Don't say that. It's her birthday today. I'm going to be nice to her all day.
Aw, all day.
All day.
And a portion of the night?
Well, maybe. Don't scratch the paint. I'm trying to get that thing ready for paint.
Okay. Sorry.
That's finished sanded.
Did you wipe it down yet?
No.
Okay.
But you got all them rings somebody bought you.
I didn't.
And you're apt to scratch the paint.
I didn't even touch them with my ring. I was like this. Okay.
All right. Let me know when you want me to quit.
I would like to probably go for a little earlier dinner.
Okay, we're going to go someplace nice, McDonald's or something like that.
No, McDonald's, please.
Taco Bell it is. Hey, look, it's Miss Little Miss.
It is Miss Little Miss.
And she got new boots, too.
Oh yeah, I just stepped in dog crap too.
Broke them in.
I like them. Do you like them?
I do like them.
They're Miranda Lambert's.
Then how'd you get them?
Well, they're her line.
Oh. Okay. Well, you sure are a lot taller than your mama.
Oh, yeah.
I think I get it from some other guy I know.
You got the good looks, too, from me.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, give me a hug.
All right.
Oh, my girl.
Yeah, my foot is about half that.
Yeah, she can fit kids. Not me. I had to pay full price for these bad boys.
Did you get her a senior citizen discount?
No.
There's another great tune that I can't let you listen to. Waiting on June, Holly Williams. Fantastic tune. I've hired an electrician to do some wiring, and he's up there scoping out what's in the attic.
Yeah, there's not too much.
What is up there, a broom?
There's a broom. Yeah.
Why would I put a broom in the attic?
I don't know. You tell me.
Well, be careful on my welder there. That thing, you can always get another electrician, but welders are hard to come by. The electrician's sizing things up and getting ready to give me an estimate. But part of this deal is he wants a certain caprice out there.
Yeah.
Well, all I can say is better do a good job. Look at this wiring here. This is terrible. This is just how it was. Good grief. I gotta figure out what to do with all this. There's more mess back there too. But I'm kind of running out of gumption, to be honest with you. And you know what I always say? It's always best to be honest.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, well. Wonder what this is. This looks like something I might have done. Oh yeah, this is starter wire. I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow. You know, being it's your mama's birthday, she just turned 25. Alright. Now it's Sunday. I've taken care of many other things. And now I think I'm going to keep wiring on this thing. There's quite a bit of it to do. Tell you what, this is not glamorous work. It's tedious. Somebody really made a mess. All these wires are burnt. That goes to the heater. Well, we're gradually getting it. This is broke. I don't know, I might need to take a trip to the junkyard. There's a lot of bad things in this motor. Or not this motor, this S10. Bad wiring and bad mechanicking. But I do know he bought that motor built, so hopefully that's good. If I can get all this stuff squared away and keep it cool, you know, it might be okay. But we're getting it. Like Rat Rod Bob says, we just ain't got it. Whew. I think I'm going to go outside and enjoy the sunshine for a minute. It's not much fun when you ignore this thing soldering wires that are bad. I have fixed I don't know how many and got a bunch more to go. But ain't but one thing to do, and that's keep after it. You know, after I take a break. Here's another mangled piece. Not exactly sure what it does, but it's got something to do with heat and air. And the AC's been eliminated, essentially, so we still ought to have heat. Probably. I guess I'll dig around and see, do I got one of them laying somewhere? Probably do. It's really a miracle this truck didn't burn up. I mean, look at this stuff. We're getting it though. Alright, after 4 or 5 hours of, maybe 6, of cutting and snipping and splicing and routing, I think I got the wiring ironed out. It's not done because I had to order a coil. I thought I had a coil around here for MSD, but I do not. You know where it is? It's on the Jeep in Virginia. Anyway, I ordered a coil. I got a different one than the round one. I got one that mounts flat. I think I'm going to put it right there beside the junction box there. Or somewhere in that neighborhood. I still got to put a loom on everything, but we'll wait to do that once we get everything finalized and, you know, placed exactly where it goes. So the pink wires for the power for the coil, I got an orange and a black that goes to it, and then I got the coil wired, the thermostat on the choke wired up, and the fans and all. I think we're in pretty good shape. Now I got to run spark plug wires and put the distributor in. Sure do. But, you know, I think we're going to save that for another time. So, I haven't done this in a long time because I've been a slacker. But, I used to ring the bell all the time when the little man was a little man to end the videos. But, I don't do that no more. I haven't. And I haven't said this in a long time. Appreciate y'all watching, sticking with me. I've been in a YouTube funk. Leave a comment below. Maybe you'll snap me out of it. I have done some pretty cool stuff, I think. And this should be pretty cool. So, like I used to say all the time, I know when to shut up. See ya.